Hey DIY enthusiasts! Today, I'm gonna show you how to use the Ryobi 18V cordless drill like a pro. This drill is a game changer in any toolkit, thanks to its power and versatility. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the drill itself. The Ryobi 18V cordless drill comes with a powerful lithium-ion battery, ensuring you get consistent power for your projects. It has 2 speed settings, low for precision work and high for heavy-duty tasks. Plus, it's got a 24-position clutch, so you can adjust the torque to match your material. Now, let's get started with some basic usage. To insert a drill bit, simply turn the chuck counterclockwise until it opens, place the bit in, and tighten by turning it clockwise. Easy, right? Make sure it's secure before you start drilling. For drilling holes, always choose the right bit for your material. Wood, metal, or masonry. Each one needs a different bit. Set your drill to the appropriate speed and torque setting. For wood, low speed with medium torque works great. For metal, go with a higher speed and adjust the torque as needed. Now onto driving screws. Switch to a screwdriver bit and set your drill to the low speed setting. Adjust the clutch to a lower torque to avoid stripping the screw. Place the screw on the bit, align it with your mark, and gently press the trigger. Let the drill do the work. Remember, always keep a firm grip on the drill and apply steady pressure. And don't forget those safety goggles and gloves. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy drilling!